Hi and welcome to another video. So this video is about a new update that's just arrived in September. This is for the Samsung Galaxy Fold first generation. So as you can see, this one here now includes in the update new AR emoji has been updated with improvements, as also they have updated to a new version of the AR emoji. So as it does note here, they will be deleted when you next open the app. So it's just something to remember. New camera features are really good. I think so much as for the AR zones and single take and pro video and then the filters, but also now the front camera you can take in full HD and ultra HD or 4K at 60 frames per second. So if we have a look here, then we can see that we've got here the actual details. You can pause this screen to see previous builds that we've received as updates, and you can see here this also includes the 1st of September security patch from Google, so this is good, so it keeps your phone secure. This is just a quick video. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.